In this video, we're going to talk about the different AWS support plans. The free support plan is called Basic Support Plan. There's also the Business Support Plus plan, Enterprise Support, and then Unified Operations Support. There's going to be some changes to the support plan starting January of 2027. They're going to get rid of the developer, business, and enterprise on-ramp plans. So starting off with the basic support, this is basically tailored for new AWS users or people who are just creating personal projects on AWS. It has 24/7 support for billing and account help only. If you want tech support, you'll have to post something in the support forums. You also have access to the white papers and documentation online. And the support services, you have access to, there's 7 core checks using Trusted Advisor. AWS Trusted Advisor is a service that they provide for free that provides guidance and best practices in your environment. You also have access to the health dashboard, and there's no fee for this support plan. So next one up is the Business Support Plus plan. This is for production workloads. So if you've got a production environment, this is the plan you probably want to be on. Response time is 30 minutes or less. It does have 24/7 support with cloud engineers. And then with the Business Support Plus plan, you have Trusted Advisor, but it does all the Trusted Advisor checks. You also have support for AWS API calls. You have access to support via the Slack program. And then you also have access to support for your third-party software apps and how they integrate with AWS services. In addition, you do have support for Amazon Q, which is nice when you have a quick question, you want to wait online to talk to somebody. And the fee for this one is either $29 a month or 9% of your monthly spend up to $10,000. So whichever one is higher. I use a support plan. I've never gotten a $29 fee. It's always higher than that. So the other thing about this and the other plans going forward, that 9% monthly charge for your spend, that percentage goes down when you get above a certain amount. So once you get above $10,000, it'll go down to a lower percentage rate. Now the Enterprise Support Plan, this is for business critical applications. Response time is 15 minutes or less. As with the Business Support Plan, you have 24/7 access. With this plan, though, you have a designated technical account manager. And the support services include everything you get with the Business Support Plan. You get priority recommendations from Trusted Advisor. You have access to architectural guidance from support. There's deep integration with Amazon Q. And then Enterprise Support does also include AWS Countdown. What that service is, like, let's say you have an application you're getting ready to roll out. They'll have dedicated people to help you get that rolled out. And then when it is rolled out, they have people on standby to help you with that. Fee on this one is $5,000 or 10% of your monthly spend up to $150,000. Same with the other plans, it's $5,000 or this other 10% monthly charge, whichever one is higher. And then like the other ones as well, once you get above $150,000 on your spend, the percentage of what they charge you for support goes down. And then there's the last one, Unified Operations. This is actually new to 2026. This one's for mission critical global operations. Response time is 5 minutes or less. Provides 24/7 live support. You have your designated technical account manager, and then you also have domain specialists. Let's say you have some weird issue with Route 53, which is one of their services. They have specialists that will help you with that service. And then the support services offered, same as enterprise support. And then in addition to that, you have a designated support team, proactive monitoring, operational reviews on a regular basis, multi-account billing, concierge service. It's the top of the line service for AWS. This one is pretty expensive, $50,000 or 10% of your monthly charge up to $1 million. And same as the other ones, whichever one is more expensive, that's the one they're going to charge you on. Once you get over $1 million, the percentage of your monthly bill is going to go down. So after looking at these plans, you got to look at your objectives. What are your needs, and what is your planned spend going to be? And then the other thing is, what's the required response time? Are you just doing this are you doing personal projects on here where you can just post stuff on the support forums, or do you have mission critical applications where you need response time less than 15 minutes? And then also, you have the option to ask your account manager for a trial version, or you can ask support directly for a trial version of a higher up support plan. So let's say you're on the free plan, basic support, you want to see how well the business support plus plan works. You can ask for a trial for that for free for a month and see if it fits your needs. And then lastly, all of these support plans are billed on a monthly basis, and you can switch back and forth every month. You don't have to sign a contract. There's no contract to sign for like a year or 2 or 3 years. They're all month to month. So those are the support plans for AWS. Hopefully this video was helpful.